two, three. Hey guys. Good morning. One, two, three. Hey guys. Good morning. So right now we are in Trivandrum, Tiruvananthapuram, and our bike is here. So we are basically what we are doing is we are mounting all our stuff. You know what we do is we just take this thing box to our room, and rest of the things we keep here. And then once we come, we mount everything in place because you know it becomes a hectic taking all this bags up. So right now we'll do this, and then we'll be visiting a temple in Trivandrum. So what is the name?
Shri Padma.
The name is a bit lengthy, but I'll put it here only in the this thing on the video. And we'll be visiting the temple first. So there are a few rules over there as well, which once I go over there I'll tell you. And we are facing a few problems of booking a room in Kanyakumari. So the details to that I'll give you all while having breakfast. But right now I'll just do all this stuff and we'll go to a good place to have breakfast. Everything on the bike is set now. Baby girl is also set, and I'm getting ready, meaning I just have to put on my helmet and gloves, and then we'll leave from here. So we'll go to have breakfast first, and then we'll move out from Trivandrum. We have come to a cafe here that is Chai Kari, and here's our food. This is idli, this is mendu vada. I like the presentation of the idli plate. I am not sure what each one is. This is for sure it's shira, but I don't know. This is the chutney. This is called podi powder. This is sambar, and I am not sure what these two things are called. Some chutneys only, and we are having filter coffee here. We really enjoyed the food, and you see how we have eaten and finished up all our things. Now all that's left is the filter coffee. We are just waiting for it to cool down, which it's already done.
I'll try the chai wali technique.
Okay. I was just sitting here looking at my bike, and look how gorgeous she looks. No, isn't it? I love watching my bike from here while having the breakfast.
So we left from the cafe and we were just passing by. So we saw this Lulu Hypermart in Trivandrum, and this is the largest mall in South India or full India, they say. Yeah, have a look.
So we have reached the temple, and here it is. It is actually closed right now. It will be opening at 4 itself, and we'll check from which side we can go in. This is the map of the temple. Right now we are standing where one is, and that's the lake or pond. So I'll go in front and show you all the temple. You all might be able to see it in the background, but we'll go a bit more in front as I'll show you all. So she is doing some exploration right here. We can take a good look of the temple from here. The temple is closed right now. It will open at 4 o'clock it seems. We were unaware of that. And now even if we want to, we cannot wait because we have to reach Kanyakumari for the sunset. So we'll click some photos here and then we'll leave. We clicked photos, and now we are going back. You know, the sky and the temple, it looks so good. So we have reached near our bikes and we are feeling a bit thirsty. And during this time there's nothing open here. Everything here is closed. See. So we thought that we'll drink water from our hydration bag. The bag is here. I think I forgot to show it in my other videos. So this is called a hydration bag, and from here there is a pipe to it, which you can directly drink, through which you can directly drink. So the system of it is very clean and hygienic. So we are done. We are ready to leave. Actually, it was a bit of a disappointment here. Since we are in Tamil Nadu, we can motovlog, and I was just waiting to show you all how the journey is going, and now finally I can do that. So let's start going. So these are the roads of Tamil Nadu. Actually, from this thing, what it is, Trivandrum to Kerala, there were really good roads. But since the time we entered the board that we saw last, that welcome to Tamil Nadu, from there just like 20 meters in front, and there were no roads at all. All the good highways, all that went behind. And you know, here it is full off-road, and because of that I cannot even maintain a speed of 60. So I'm just going on 20, 30, 20, 30, and it is showing us 1 hour 17 minutes just to cover 40 kilometers. So that's about the road. And you know, there are such beautiful churches here. If I get in front, I'll just show you all. Oh, here is one, here is one. So you look how differently they are built, and you know, they all put up with lights and all, and it looks so good even to look at them. After such a long time, and after 2 days, we are looking at the mighty mountains in front of us. You know, all this while in Kerala, while we were riding in Karnataka, we did not see any mountains, and then we took this turn and we were like so amazed to see the mountains. So let's see if we are going on the way, we might get guts while going to, you know, the other places that we have decided. I know the places are not yet told to you all yet, because we are also not sure if we will be doing that place or no, because you know, we have very little time to manage, and in that we have to cover up most of the places that we have decided. So that's why you all must have seen that, you know, we are going to a place at night, we are just roaming here and there. Next day morning we get up, we roam, we do like the must do things over there, and then we leave that place. So that is how we are managing with the time, but it is okay also, meaning we are enjoying. So right now this thing, what it is, Kanyakumari is around 30 kilometers more, and it is showing us 1 hour. So the traffic right now is a lot, quite a lot, meaning we did not expect this. And there is a way which is going to some other place, but I'm not sure if that is correct or what it is. Oh, looks like these people are having a fight. Calm down, bro, calm down. I think he was about to just throw them down, that's why he got mad. Yeah, so I forgot what I was saying also. So right now it's just that we are on our way to go to this thing, Kanyakumari. So after searching for a long time, we have reached the road, and let's see. Okay, let's take a good shot. So we have another 1 hour for the sun to set. You know, we have a concept in mind that we'll keep the bike, and you know, we'll sit beside, and then we'll take a video. So that's what we exactly planned, and we are trying our best to look for a place like that. So finally I'm at the tip of India with my loving beauty and my baby girl. I cannot tell you how excited and how happy I am. It was always my dream to come here and be here. And here, I cannot mesmerize this view much enough.
And it's raining, we are enjoying it.
And it's raining, but who cares? We don't even care that it's raining. We are almost wet, but it's fine. This is once in a lifetime opportunity for me that I am here with the bike. And so here's the beach, and they have made this, I guess it's like more of like a retention wall, and everyone is fishing and all on the other side, but it looks so good. And there's the sun, so it has another half an hour to set, and we are not sure if we are going to get the sunset though, but it's fine. So we are just sitting here and we are taking a look at the sunset. The bike is in the background and my baby girl is here
With the chip.
with the chips.
We are enjoying the sunset. We are enjoying the sunset with this chips that we got
Yeah, and there's a video that's getting recorded. as we are recording this video. So that's going to be for Instagram. And we love this so much. It's so magical, I'll tell you. The waves, you just see the waves and the sunset. It looks so good, I'll tell you. So we'll sit here for another 2-3 minutes and then we'll leave for. And the time right now is 18:35, that is 6:35. So without wasting more time, we'll leave from here. And we have planned that we will stop in this thing. So there is one place in between Dhanushkodi to Pondicherry, Dhanushkodi and Kanyakumari. So we'll stop there. So we stopped for food, and the name of the place is D Roads. It is just beside a petrol pump. So here it is. This is how the place looks.
Yeah, I've always wanted to try this.
And you know, she wanted to try a hotel next to a petrol pump. Yeah, I used to tell her that when we used to travel, this used to happen. So she's like, let me also try. And
I also want to buy.
Yes.
I want to buy.
So we stopped here and we'll go in and check. So we are coming and the name is here. And you know, the place is really good for a highway, a restaurant. The place is extremely good. And you know, when we came in also, we did not think, you know, it would be this good. But we really like the place. And let's see how the food is. Another 1 hour more to go. And it's at night, but there is, you know, decent amount of traffic and it is safe for us to ride. And we are not, you know, speeding that much also. So we'll continue our ride for like 1 more and then we'll take a break. So right now I'll just book hotels and we'll check what is you know, suitable for us. So our food is coming. These are prawns, this is mixed fried rice, those are masala french fries, and that is malai chicken. So malai chicken is my girl's favorite. So since she knew that we get it here, she was so surprised. Not surprised, she was so like what do you call it, happy.
I got excited.
She was very excited. So she's like, we'll have. So we'll have this and then we'll move on to this thing, our next location. So we are living from here, and I had already shown that this is the place. The food is really good here. We enjoyed the food. We actually had too much and we forgot that we have to travel for 1 more hour. We just hope that we don't, you know, fall asleep. But besides that, you know, the food was really good. If you are planning of going for Kanyakumari to this thing, Dhanushkodi or Pondicherry, this one is the nearest one. You all can come here. The food is really amazing. So I checked into my room, and you know, it's been quite a long ride today. First going to Kanyakumari and the temple in Trivandrum. We enjoyed the sunset, and you know, it was really good. The day today was really good. You know, at a point I felt so good looking at the map. So my girl was just showing me that, you know, on the map we are at like the tip, the bottom of India, and it felt so good. I'm telling you, just looking at that. So it was a feeling that, you know, I cannot express through words, but trust me, it is the greatest feeling. I felt extremely good, even like, you know, just standing there and thinking about it, it feels so good. So after that, like it's just 2 hours that we are riding the bike, and we checked into this hotel. So right now, meaning I'll just get freshed up and all, and that's it. We already have our food. So one thing before I sign out, this video will be coming in next year, but before that, today is 31st and it's almost about to be 12, and taking that chance, I would like to wish you all a happy new year and a prosperous year ahead. May the year ahead bring you lots of happiness, and may you enjoy